Hey y'all, so I'm about to get ready to do a Shein haul. So I want to try to get ready with me. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my makeup. It's just real quick, simple, and easy. Go ahead and try it and let me know how y'all like it. The first thing I'm gonna start with is my eyebrows. I always start with my eyebrows first. I'm actually gonna shape them just a little bit. I've been letting them grow out because they were like super thin, like 90s thin, like It is 2024, so yeah, I had to grow them out. Just about to carve my arch a little bit, literally just a little bit. This tool that I'm using is an eyebrow razor. It was only like $3 for a 3-pack at Family Dollar. All I'm doing is just following this line here from my eye all the way up to my arch, and that's how I determine where my arch will be. Next, I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors Wowie pencil. This is in the color dark brown basically, and now I'm gonna go in and start to fill in the spaces in my eyebrows. You want to do light strokes with any eyebrow pencil. I always like to start here and then fill it in, and then just do light strokes and blend it out in the front. You want to go in the direction the hair is growing on your eyebrows. Honestly, I think eyebrows is like my favorite thing to do in my makeup. Like my eyebrows and my lips is my favorite part. So now I'm going to start to create that line just so that it's super crispy when I go in to carve it with the concealer. These always go straight up, over, and down. I always go in to blend any harsh lines afterward. Time for the concealer. So I'm gonna go with this HD concealer that I got from the hair store. It's just a brush applicator. Tap that on my hand a little bit just to get the product on a brush so we can start to carving. Okay, this will make or break your eyebrows. I'm really crazy for using this to do this, but I don't care. Yeah, I've been doing this for a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a brush. Modessa brush. Most of my beauty products I get from either the hair store or Family Dollar. That's the gag, babe. You can ease a little bit to the front. So you want to start to bring the product down and then start blending it out. Try not to touch that line too much. Yeah, this is definitely becoming my favorite eyebrow. And I used to hate this eyebrow because she never wanted to act right. But now the tables have turned. I'm just going to go ahead and move into the foundation. Instead, we're going to use this Fit Me by Maybelline New York Matte Poreless in the color Coconut. I'm going to just put this on instead because it's not really giving what I wanted to give. See, yeah, that's better. Can you see the difference? Like, that's crazy. You have to be very careful when picking out foundation. And I always go over the top of my eyebrows with my foundation. At this point, who cares? Not too much on my edges now. It's not no right or wrong when it comes to makeup. You just do it how it fits you. That's why I like the name of that foundation called Fit Me, because yeah, you just do what fits you. And see, yeah, that looks so much better. You make sure you take your foundation to your hairline, baby. You gotta make sure you blend all of that out because you don't want to see like makeup blotches. That's why they say like beat your face. Like you literally have to like period. We're gonna go back in with the HD concealer. And I'm just do a little bit of highlight. You see where it's naturally shining at? That's where you want to highlight. So right here. Right here. here, and here. And you want to keep the makeup where it is. You just blending it out. You know what I'm saying? You're not like really trying to move it. See that? And then you just make sure there's no like harsh lines on the side. See how I'm not taking it over my whole lip? I'm keeping it right there. All right, then we're gonna move up. Need some on that nose too. I'm just going down the bridge of my nose just so it's nice and snatched. I kind of like move my head too along with it. See, I'm being very intentional with where I'm patting at. Blend, 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 blend. It's very important to blend with makeup, I'm telling you, okay? And then when I bring it to my eye, I'm like going up. I'm snatching the eye up. It looks different to me on here than it does on camera. But either way, it gotta look good. So that's what we're trying to achieve here. Sometimes what I do, I just use my You Can Be palette. So I would take this dark brown and use that as a contour. Definitely want to make sure you blend that out. And you do like a L shape with that. And then blend it out. I'm going to use this red right here for my blush. It's pretty much like that same process of putting on a contour or contouring, but just a little higher. See? And then you do want to smile so you can get your apples of your cheeks. But I hate doing this weird awkward smile. Contour again. Just on the jawline. You want to match up where the beginning and the end is. The setting powder helps keep your concealer from creasing. And what I'm doing is blending my real eyelashes with the fake ones. See? Now I'm gonna put some highlighter on. Yep. Pretty much like the color of my lips kind of already. So it's like more natural looking. Now we're gonna blend that out. Lip gloss. I can definitely see how off my lashes are, but that's okay because I'm not keeping them on. I'm about to take them right off after I do this Shein haul, so that's fine. It's whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to be genuine. We got kids that we raising in this world, and we have to make it a better place before they grow up. So, with that being said, peace. I'm out.